Gold has formed a triple bottom here at close to 1620 levels, and since then it has bounced back thrice. This is the one time, second time and third time, and also if you look at these three candles, higher highs are being seen. So this is an expanding triangle, but at the same time look at the lows there. Yet it cannot be confirmed that it is completely bullish till the time it trades below 1700. So that is the mark we will be looking at. Now last week we did talk about in our analysis that see the pattern, two red candles, reversal, lower highs, then a red candle, again double bottom, higher highs, and now this time again triple bottom and higher highs. So now what to expect next week, which position we should take in order to make profits, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits, as you will be also missing the daily updates which I share for gold, one with the Asia session, next with the USDCAD session. So in fact twice a day I share the updates. So do like, share, subscribe and comment, do press the bell icon. Let's start the day. First we'll look into charts followed with indicators. Towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week, so do watch till the end. Now let's first look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, clearly you can find triple bottom. It is failing to sustain below 1620 levels. That is very clear. Rather 1615, 1616 levels it is achieved, but it is failing to sustain. Our long term target, those who follow me must know that we had predicted that 1590, 1600 could be the level which it may try to achieve. It is still shying by $20 there. Now this is one part. Second part, that after achieving this bottom, it is every time it has got a good push. You can see this is the first highs. This time it failed to give you the high, but see this last candle here on the daily charts has given a very strong breakout. So the retracement there was not up to the mark. Now it is looking upwards, and see a flat head candle, extremely bullish Mariboju candle. Now it indicates that extreme bullishness, but at the same time one has to be cautious that this is the zone here at 1700 and 1720. It has to pass by this zone in order to sustain the bullish momentum. We will see if it can, or if it can again try to drop. Now see, a little wick here also indicates that possibly it may open flat and then continue with the bullish momentum. We may see second and third green follow-up candle. So this is the first candle, and you can almost find 1630 to 1680, $50 of move. The next candle can be again almost $40, so you can count 1720, and then it can try to give you third green candle also. In this fashion, soon it may try to achieve this zone at 1740, 50, which is the next milestone. But this is just a theory. Let's have a further detailed look that if it continues to see, this is also a good zone here at 1680. We have seen it reversing many a times from 1680, 85 levels. Yes, let's watch out here. If it breaks 1685, you can buy there. It may probably achieve 1700, which is the next milestone, and then 1718 levels, which is the next stronger resistance. Beyond that, 1736, 1740 levels will be the next targets. So this is one part of it only on the daily charts. Now let's have a look on the weekly chart. Now on the weekly charts, you'll find it is achieved close to this zone. Now it has given you a triple bottom, trying to reverse from here. Now in fact I will not consider that as a bullish reversal. See this, this is the channel in which it is trying to trade, and you will find 1730-40 zone should be the maximum resistance. Beyond that it should be considered a channel breakout, and then I will be looking for 1800 and 1840. This is the zone where it is going to get the next resistance on the upside. Probably achieving this, it can again resume the downtrend. This is one part to it. Now this is on the weekly charts. Remember, it has failed to go below 1600. It has also formed triple bottom and trying to reverse, hence indicating little more bullishness. Now look at the monthly charts here. Now on the monthly charts, see this was the target, it failed to achieve. Now see these three candles. All the three candles with a flat bottom indicates probability of it achieving. See, lower highs and flat bottom indicates on the monthly chart this is a narrowing triangle. So contradictory indication. On the daily charts it is an expanding triangle in the near term, but when you see 3 months chart, And even if you see on the daily charts of for 90 days, you will find this is a narrowing triangle. The highs of this at around 1730, 1740 levels. So we have to wait and watch how it behaves at around those levels. Yes, if it trades above 1685, there is a possibility that it may achieve 1700, 1718 and then 1730 and 1740 levels. But then we have to observe how it behaves there. So this is from the monthly charts. And remember, trading above 1740.50, it is going to give you very strong bullish candle, which might in fact take it till towards $1,800 in the month of November. We have to be careful. Lot much of this will depend upon the inflation data coming from the US. So this is one part to it. Now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look at the indicator. Now this is the 100 period moving average, 50 period moving average and 20 period moving average. In one candle, it has breached past the 20 and 50 period moving average, and this is a bullish move here, extremely bullish move. Also remember one part, that it is traded outside Bollinger Bands. Yes, there will be a push on the downside, but at the same time the Bollinger Band width will also be expanded. Probably it may give you second or third green candle, also expanding the Bollinger Bands strongly on the upside. The next target should be somewhere here. The next stronger resistance will be somewhere here, first at 1700, then 1705 and then 1720 levels. These three levels are definitely going to be very good resistance, and beyond that, as we saw, 1730 40 level should come into picture. So this is what we can see. Also this is the bottom of the Bollinger Bands here, and that is what we got the support. Now look at the MACD directional movement. This is a bullish cross here. This is looking upwards, this is looking downwards, and it is diverging, indicating strong bullish momentum. Look at the daily charts. It is rising from the oversold zone, looking upwards, indicating bullishness. The MACD has crossed over, and see, it is reversed with a single green candle. See how divergent it has become, and yes, this indicates that it may continue with the bullish momentum for a little while. Look at the RSI, a single vertical rise here, indicating bullishness. And if you look at the weekly charts, there on the weekly chart, 1720 levels, definitely a stronger resistance. And then see, this is diverging also. 50 and 100 period moving average altogether there at 1800, 1820 levels. And then this is a $100 gap. It may try to come somewhere in between. Possibility exists that it may try to breach 1720 and then trade on the upside towards 1740, 1750. In fact, on the upside, probability exists that we may see it hitting 1800. Probably, if not this week, then probably next week we might see that happening. Hence you have to wait for it to break past first 1720, 1730, 1740, and then beyond that 1800 is the next destination in the near future. I am not talking just about next week, but next to next week or near future for this month also. Now see, directional movement so far which was bearish. Probably it may start to converge when the next candle starts. The stochastic is looking upwards from here, indicating bullishness. The MACD has seen the bottom. We talked about this last week also, that it has seen a bottom, it is converging, and now it is looking forward to a crossover. This is going to be a bullish crossover. It may continue till here, taking the gold till towards 1800 levels, and from there we'll see how it behaves. RSI looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, similar is the indication. The 20 months average here at around 1800, which could be the next target. We have to wait and watch. On the downside, now we are gold is trading above the 50 and 100 months average, indicating little bullish move there to be seen. The directional movement here is bearish. The stochastic is oversold on the monthly charts. It may probably give you single green candle, taking it till towards 1800, 1840 levels in the month of November, and possibly continue the bullish momentum. The MACD divergent and bearish, it may probably converge. The RSI looking upwards from here, indicating little bullishness. Considering this, next week when you see gold trading above 1685, probably one can take a bullish entry there, take a buy position there. So let me write down the levels for you. Buy at 1685, and if you remain long from here, the target is 1691, 1700, 1705 and then 1718 levels. Beyond 1685, the first maximum resistance is at 1700, then at 1718, and if it breaks past this, I will look forward for it to achieve 1733, 1741. So yes, these levels are certainly going to be a good resistance. Beyond 1740, consider this for further bullishness. You can hold gold for rest of the month. You can expect it to rise, and probably we may see 1760, the nearest target, and then 1800 levels in the next couple of weeks or towards the end of the month. Now this is the probability where we are looking just at the bullish momentum. We are expecting it to rise. Now see, we have to eliminate the bias and trade as per the level. So it does not mean that we are looking at bullish level will make not gold to fall. Yes, there is a bullish bias, but at the same time we have to trade as per the levels. If you stick to the levels, definitely you can profit. Now see, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. That is the first part, where you can just trade as per our strategy, where you will automatically find the good entries, take the right exits at the right time. Yes, you can join my mentorship batch. This is a 15 days course. If you scroll the video and if you look at the channel description, you will find the contact details where you can connect with me. My email IDs and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for more details on same. Secondly, you can be part of my signals group. Phenomenal performance, phenomenal profits we have gathered so far in my signals group. You can see some of the results posted there in the community tab, and furthermore for this week I'll be posting today, so watch that also. And yes, you can be part of my signals group. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for the details on both, as become a pattern and support the effort. Now on the downside, where to sell? Yes, you can sell there at 1660 levels. Below 1660 only I will recommend you to sell. Below 1660 you can expect that we are looking at 1651, 1640, and if it breaks 1640 you can again look forward to 1630 levels. Now see, we have seen it getting support. First major support should come into picture at 1640, 1630 levels, and if this breaks, then 1620 and 1615 levels should come into picture. Now we have seen triple bottom at around 1640, 15 levels, and hence this level becomes crucial for us. Only breaking this zone, you can expect that the gold is trying to trade bearish, else it can reverse any point of time, achieving fourth bottom there at the same levels. Below 1650 now we are looking at 1600 and 1590, my long term targets. It is yet shying away. Let's see how far it can restrain from these levels. So possibility exists. Even if you see a drop till towards this level, you have to remain bullish. You can expect a bounce back. We have seen it bouncing back 3 times. There is a possibility for it to happen a 4th time also, and hence you have to remain cautious. And also remember one more possibility, because let's say if you knock a door 3 times and somebody does not open, most probably you will try to break through and force it open. Same thing applies everywhere. If gold this time tries to approach 1615, you can expect that this will break through the support and then it will continue with the downward momentum. Hence you have to remain cautious and alert till towards 1700, 1720 levels. Probably achieving those, it can reverse, and hence you have to remain cautious. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.